नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic advantage and application of polymers in formulation of controlled release drug delivery system. So, this topic belongs to the subject novel drug delivery system for the B Pharm 7th semester. Now we will discuss about the topic polymer used in controlled drug delivery system. Polymers are becoming increasingly important in the field of drug delivery. The pharmaceutical application of copolymer range from their use as binders in tablet to viscosity and flow controlling agents in liquids, suspension and emulsions. Polymers can be used as film coating to distinguish the unpleasant taste of a drug, to enhance drug solubility and to modify their release characteristic. So the polymer is very important role play in the controlled drug delivery system. If we use any therapeutic drug, so any problem in solubility with the drug, so some of the polymers which can use in the drug formulation, that's the solubility is increased just because the reason of the polymer added of the polymers. So the polymer is very most important role play in the delivery system if there any delivery system. So the in control drug delivery is focusing on the preparation and use these responsive polymers with specially designed macroscopic and microscopic structural and chemical features. Such system includes copolymer with desirable and hydrophobic interaction. Hydrophilic and hydrophobic interaction of the copolymer is the very most abundant and very important for the polymer used in controlled drug delivery system. So the first one is block or graft polymer, and second one is complexation network responding via hydrogen or ionic bonding. So the dendrimers or star polymers as nanoparticles for immobilization of enzymes, drugs, peptide or other biological agents. So the new biodegradable polymers, new blends of hydrocolloids and carbohydrates based polymer. So now we come to the advantage of polymers in controlled drug delivery system. The review of this topic is focuses on the significance of pharmaceutical polymer of controlled drug delivery application. 60 million patients benefit from advanced drug delivery system today, receiving safer and more effective dose of the medicine they need to fight a variety of human ailments, includes cancer. And controlled drug delivery system occurs when a polymer, whether natural or synthetic, is judiciously combined with a drug or other active agent in such a way that the active agent is released from the material in a pre-designed matter. So the release of active pharmaceutical ingredients and agent may be constant over a long period. It may be cyclic over a long period, or it may be triggered by the environmental or other external events. In any case, the purpose behind controlling the drug delivery is to achieve more effective therapies while eliminating the potential for both under and overdosing. Now we come to the what is the factors. Factors is very most important and responsible for the polymer action with the any other drug delivery system or controlled release drug delivery system. The various important factors indicating the breadth of its structural, chemical and processing properties that can affect biodegradable drug delivery system are listed below. Chemical structure, chemical composition, distribution of repeat unit in multimers, presence of ionic groups, presence of unexpected units or chain defects, configuration structure, molecular weight and molecular weight distribution. So the morphology, amorphous semi-crystalline and microstructure, residual stresses is very important for the factors, and presence of low molecular weight compound and processing condition, annealing and sterilization process, storage history, shape and site of implantation. So the adsorb and absorb compound, water, lipid, ants, and etc. Physico-chemical factors, ion exchange, ionic strength, and pH. Physical factors, shape and size, changes, variations of diffusion, and coefficients, mechanical stress and uh, solvent-induced cracking, etc. Mechanism of hydrolysis and enzyme versus water. So the application of polymer, drug delivery of various contraceptive and hormone, example, medroxyprogesterone acetate. Vaginal contraceptive ring, it consists of a drug reservoir and polymer coating material. Through this layer, the drug release slowly. And second one is drug delivery, the treatment of diabetes. Here the polymer will act as a barrier between bloodstream and insulin, example, polyacrylamide. So overall, the application of polymer is very important. So this is the complete session. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.